everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I'm going to show you a neat snack that I make for my family. I made some up this weekend, and then I had some friends ask me, well, how do you do that? I don't deep fry them. I make them in my air fryer, and they're just as good as anything that you would get out of a bag, and they're a lot better for you because they're not fried in soybean oil. So this is how I do it. You just cut them in wedges. They're just super easy. I don't use any extra oil. Now, if you wanted to, you could toss a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil on it, but I really found that it was unnecessary. And you just want to put a handful in. I just kind of layer it out. And my air fryer has a chip setting. It sets it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. You don't need but about 5. And then you turn it on. So when it sets it for 20, you need probably 5 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna toss it with some tongs. And then just gauge it. Put it back in, a couple more minutes, and then you cook them until you get it to the desired crispness. Still don't think I said it right, but you know what I'm trying to say. Dyslexia is kicking my butt today. Anyway, we'll move on. Papa's over there laughing at me. It's gonna be one of those days. How you guys doing today? By the way, I wanted to tell y'all, I now have t-shirts on my Teespring. I will link that below. I have 2 t-shirts. I have one that's just a Mama Z's Texas Kitchen that says, do you have a dream? I do. And then I have, there is no fake butter in Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Do y'all really think I could do a t-shirt that didn't have that? I think it's cute. Y'all may think it's kind of stupid. I went into a live the other night and somebody said something about fake butter. And I was talking to Patty with the Tinker's Wife, and I was like, do I really need to say anything? And then the person that was doing the live, I didn't even know this person watched any of my videos. They were like, oh Lord, don't get Mama Z going on fake butter. And I was like, oh my God, does people really know that I carry on about fake butter that much? So I got a big kick out of it. So anyway, I did make a t-shirt that said that. I will link that below if y'all are interested in my gear. I really wanted a t-shirt to wear to the Shindig and to the Bayou Bash and different events. I am still hoping that we get to make HOA. We'll see. Guys, I am getting really close to 500 subs. Today we hit 470. We're getting really close. We're going to be doing some big giveaways when we hit 500. I just want to thank you so much for your support. So let me get some tongs and we will give these a big toss. I'll be right back. Magic of editing. Okay, we're going to give these a big toss. And they're already starting to crisp up a little bit. They're not quite there yet. I'll take one out real quick and let you look. Maybe. And see, they're starting to crisp up a little bit, but they're still pretty flimsy. And you'll be able to feel it. So you just put it back in there.
Put that one back in.
Likes him more than it likes me. It's starting to get there. Not quite though. Okay, we're gonna check them again real quick. They're almost there. And that's what you want to do. You just want to check them every couple of minutes so you don't overcook them. And they're almost, probably 2 more minutes and they'll be ready. Oh, look, it went right back in this time. Sometimes it likes me and sometimes it doesn't. And I usually do this in batches. I've also made flantas in this thing. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Would y'all like to see me do a video on how to make a homemade flantas in it? If y'all don't know what flantas are, they are so good. It's just usually hamburger meat or chicken, taco meat, and you wrap it up in tortillas. Traditionally, they're like deep fried, but you can make them in your air fryer. If y'all weren't in my live last Saturday, this week's What's on the Plate with Mama Z, I'm going to be doing keto chicken tenders, and we'll be using the air fryer. So be sure and check out that this week's What's on the Plate with Mama Z this Saturday at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, let's give it a look. Yeah, all right, I think we have got it, and we do. So, I'm going to pour them in my bowl here. And then I'm going to start another batch real quick. Well, they can cut up real good. And this is a really good way, like if you have some tortillas like I have that, our church does a food giveaway every other Sunday that they get food from Trader Joe's donated, and it's just kind of open to everybody at the church. It's not just if you know, it's just open to anybody, and they have to get rid of stuff. So this stuff needs to be used quickly. So if you have tortillas that you know need to be used fast, this is a great way to use them. So anyway, I'm going to just hit this with just a tiniest bit of kosher salt, but you can put whatever you wanted on it. If you wanted to put chili powder or you know, Tony's or whatever you wanted on it. And then I've just got some fresh salsa, also from Trader Joe's. And then look at this. Perfect. Perfect chip. This is better than anything you're going to get out of a bag. It hasn't been cooked in any kind of vegetable oil or soybean oil. And guys, I didn't put any oil in this whatsoever. So, I just drip salsa all over my shirt. But I would highly recommend doing this. Utilize your air fryers that you got for Christmas and stuff, because they are well worth it. I didn't argue, but had a discussion with a guy. He's like, I just don't like my air fryer. I'm like, you are so wasting it, because this is just, you don't have to deep fry stuff. This is just as good as anything you would fry in your fry pan. So break up those air fryers and use them. Again, I'm just going to give this a little toss. And it's really that quick. I've made a whole batch, you know, game day or just for your family, for a good alternative to anything that you're going to buy in the store as far as bagged chips. So anyway, that is today's video. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope you will break out your air fryers. Be sure and check out my Teespring store for any of your Mama Z's gear. I will be adding more stuff as we go. Thank y'all so much. And remember, when I hit 500, we will be doing some pretty good giveaways. God bless. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love you guys so much. Have a great day.